Hey nail babes, welcome to Prep the Polish, and this is my last nail finds video of 2025. I decided to do a nail finds video that's a little different than the ones I usually do. I usually focus mainly almost 100% on press-ons, but today I wanted to show you guys all the other things that CVS sells because I'm at my local CVS. They of course sell a lot of polishes, but they also sell a lot of cool accessories. And I never really take my time to look at them because I buy a lot of my nail products online, on Amazon and Shein. So I just thought it was cool to check out what else they have. They have these cool nail stickers that I've seen people do online on YouTube. I've never personally done them. If you've done them, let me know what you think about them. They have a lot of nail polishes, of course, many different brands and many different prices. And they have Ella and Mila, which I did not know, and they've been on my radar for a while, so I was actually super excited to see that they sell this brand. It's a vegan and cruelty-free brand, so I do like that. And then they have these cuticle oils that are scented. They have almond and lavender, so I'm definitely going to buy that. I have a lot of cuticle oil right now, so when I'm done with that, I'll come here and I'll buy it. But I just really like their brand. They've been on my radar for a while, so I'm definitely going to come get these. And then also some nail strengtheners that I've been curious about from them. Of course, if you've seen my videos in the past, I did a budget video where I compare Publix and TJ Maxx. So this is kind of a slight comparison to CVS and TJ Maxx, where they have polishes that range from $7.99 to like almost $13. They have many different brands. And you might think, okay, well, these are really expensive. I can go to TJ Maxx and get polishes for $3, $4, and that's true. So it depends what you want to do. But the reason these polishes are more expensive is because they're brand new. And a lot of those polishes at TJ Maxx are polishes that are colors that are most likely discontinued and older. So it's up to you. But that is the difference. That's the price difference. They also have a lot of cool nail art accessories that I did not know they have. So definitely, if you're into nail art, check these out. You might find something that you can utilize and do nail art with. And then they have feet masks and feet scrubbers and so many different kinds of strengtheners. And like, the sky's the limit here. They have almost everything that you might want. And then of course they have their press-ons, and their press-ons are really nice. They have a lot of Kiss brand press-ons, and I really like their press-ons because they have a lot of little crystals, and I love crystals. A couple weeks ago I did that video where I showed you guys the Wicked set that they had, and I've actually come back twice to CVS to buy one of those sets. And they're sold out. And when I went online, I couldn't find that specific set I wanted. I wanted the purple set and I wanted the emerald green. And it's gone, so I lost my opportunity. But you can definitely find some really cool stuff here. Here's some more accessories. And then if you have their app, which I do, I religiously use their app, there's always coupons. Every week there's coupons. Sometimes a couple dollars off, and you can combine them with other products they have. So if they have any sales on nail polishes, you can utilize the sale on the nail polish and sometimes the coupon. It depends if they allow it or not. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So you can definitely budget and bargain hunt. I'm just showing you guys some of the cool press-ons that I found, and I just want to thank you guys for all the nail find videos that you've watched that I've made in 2025. If you have somewhere specific that you want me to go, and I can, if it's in my local area and I haven't been there, I'll definitely go. Just let me know in the comment down below, and let me know what you think of CVS. Do you like it? Do you come here and buy anything for nails? What do you think? Or do you buy everything online? Thank you so much, guys, and we'll see each other next time. Bye bye.